What's up, guys? So I want to talk about how do I manage or how do I balance game engine development with my other responsibilities, such as being a father, a husband, and an employee. I actually have never even ever thought about how I balance both of these responsibilities, well, a responsibility and my hobby, until someone in my Discord server asked me, how do I do that? And so I started to take notice of my mindset or my actions. And it turns out that I actually focus on having small wins every day. And what do I mean by that? Basically, what I do is that I set myself a new task for the next day. And that task has to be small, something that I can complete within 30 minutes, something that, I know I can accomplish it, right? That may be writing a small function or fixing a small bug. And just by doing that, it, plays with my own psychology, because my brain sees that as an accomplishment. Even though it's a small accomplishment, it's still an accomplishment that is making me move forward with my game engine. It keeps me motivated. It also keeps me focused, which is very important. And it just, makes me feel that I am moving forward. Yes, I'm moving forward at a very small pace, but I'm still moving forward. And just doing that, has allowed me to, rebuild my game engine within these past 2 years, right? From C++ to Swift. Way back when I started with game engine development, I was single. I had all of the time in the world. Now I really don't. So I need to be very focused on what I do, and just doing that has allowed me to be where I'm at right now. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you find that helpful. I hope you do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.